at Oxshott level crossing in Surrey. This is just a tour. Got some wigwags here. They're LEDs, I'm not sure what company they are. There's the Yod alarm and the SPX barriers. For some strange reason they got a mix of boom lights. They're the black ones and the white one above. That one's fully black, that one is fully white, and so is that one. On the other side, the same equipment. There's lights, no Yod alarm this time. Barriers, yeah, MK2. There's the counterweight mechanism. And the other sides. That way is towards Guildford and that way is towards London Waterloo. Here, yet again, the same equipment. With a Yod alarm again, the same barriers. Yep. And on the other side again. Yep, barriers. The wigwags. There's still LEDs. We've got the telephones, not for 999 calls, and the control box, I think. Then we got the do not touch the live rail and the do not trespass sign. You can't properly see it. There's the floodlight, which is currently open at night times. Don't know why. Also open at rain day.